I'm going to show you how to do some text analysis in Voyant using the bulk data that we downloaded from Trove using the Trove Harvester web app. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload the text files that I downloaded from Trove using the Trove Harvester web app. You can just open this up in your computer and then select all of those files and click upload. Might take a little while depending on how much information you're putting into Voyant. So it's just reading all of that information now. We'll give that a moment. Okay, once that's loaded in, you should be able to see this particular screen here. We've got some summary kind of information about the documents down here. We can see that I've loaded in 62 text files and I've loaded in approximately 150,000 words. So up here on the top left-hand side, you can see a word cloud that has been generated from all of those documents. Now it's going to visualize those words based on the frequency with which they occur within that particular corpus. So more frequent words are visualized relative to their size. So you might be thinking of doing a word cloud for the first piece of assessment. And if you've gotten to this stage, you might be starting to analyze the word cloud that you've produced and think that it's not necessarily providing you much insight into the research question that you've posed. In this particular case, I would recommend having a look at the words which have been visualized and adding them to what's called the stop word list to get rid of them. Now, adding words to the stop word list basically means that we'll be improving kind of the quality of the word cloud and perhaps increasing our chance of being able to kind of interpret it meaningfully. So to exclude words from the word cloud, I would personally think that Mr. is not particularly helpful to me in terms of being able to make sense of what all of these texts are about. If we want to get rid of that particular word, we're going to go up to the top right-hand corner of the word cloud interface there, and we're going to see there's a little switch button that says define options for this tool. I'm going to click on that. Then we've got this stop words list, and I'm going to go over here and click edit list. If we go down to the bottom, we can see that there's lots of words which Voyant has already excluded from the analysis. And these are just preloaded directly into Voyant, so you can make changes to this. What I'm going to do is add a word here. So I'm going to delete that little line kind of symbol there, and I'm going to write the word that I want to exclude directly onto a new line. So Mr., and I'll make sure that it's appropriate case, so it's lowercase. I also would like to exclude this spelling error, TBE, which is a spelling error which is obviously the word the. So I'm going to put that in too. Nope, I want TBE. All right, so I'm going to click save and I'm going to click confirm. We can see there that those words have been excluded now. So you can keep doing this process to refine the word cloud to improve your ability to interpret it. You can also see there's still some ing there that's not particularly helpful. And you'll put this kind of information into your report document for the first piece of assessment about the words that you excluded from your analysis.